Tonight, we begin with a stunning turn of events in New York, where just hours ago, Luigi Mangione pleaded guilty to federal stalking charges in the 2024 targeted killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Thanks for joining us at 5 on air and streaming. I'm Lauren Lemanchek.
And I'm Chris Arabsky. Today, Mangione accepted full responsibility for shooting the Maple Grove father of two outside a Midtown Manhattan hotel.
And the plea comes less than a month before Mangione's state murder case was set to begin. Our Lou Goose joins us now with what's next.
Lauren and Chris, the timing of the plea surprised people as Mangione was getting ready and seemed poised to fight his charges at that New York State trial next month. Instead, in December, he'll be sentenced to up to life in prison.
I thought you were suspicious.
From the day of his arrest at an Altoona, Pennsylvania McDonald's, the evidence against Luigi Mangione seemed overwhelming. His writings railed against America's healthcare systems, and police traced his movements to New York City when UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson was murdered. But until today, Mangione never publicly acknowledged he carried out the premeditated crime.
With today's guilty plea, Mr. Mangione has accepted full responsibility for the death of Brian Thompson.
After the plea hearing, Mangione's attorney relayed his motive.
As Luigi explained in court today, he endured years of severe, debilitating pain following a broken back while struggling to navigate our healthcare and health insurance systems.
Mangione has attracted supporters, even fans, holding signs outside his court hearings, something the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York criticized.
There can be no celebrity in assassination. Any person who celebrates, encourages, or excuses actions like these is fundamentally wrong.
The killer's motive for pleading guilty now could be related to the potential consequences.
While the defendant pled guilty, our office does not have a plea agreement with him. Instead, he pled open.
He faces up to life in federal prison, but the chance remains that the judge opts for a term lower than that. Now, under New York state law, Mangione's trial in state court most likely will not move forward after this plea. Thompson's family was in court. They were emotional, and they issued a written statement afterwards that says, in part, today's guilty plea marks an important step toward justice for Brian and for our family. While nothing will ease the pain of losing him, we are grateful that the federal justice system has held this person responsible for this heinous act. Guys.
Lou, there were a lot of changes in the pretrial here. Why did he decide to change his plea now?
Well, almost unanimously, the legal analysis is that this is his best chance at avoiding a life sentence because he's pleading guilty. He will make his argument as to why he did it and hope that that judge doesn't give him the full life sentence. In state court, if he would have been found guilty of murder there, he almost certainly would have faced life.
Yeah. Lou Goose, thank you, sir.